Kaizer Chiefs are through to the group stages of the CAF Confederations Cup after beating AS Simba 3-1 in the second leg. Look, I couldn't watch the game yesterday, but I was very confident heading to this one. I knew we're going to go through, but then obviously you can never know when it comes to this team. The fact that this team failed to beat us in their own house, it told me everything I wanted to know about this team. And in the preliminary round of the CAF competitions, you face shit teams. We are also shit to a certain degree, but we are better than most of the teams in that competition. That's why I even have a very bold prediction, which I'm going to drop in a minute. So I saw the starting 11, and I was happy about the starting 11. The only change I'd personally make, I would start Chawatele ahead of Sibongiseni Mchechwa. You know my reasons. You know how I feel about Sibongiseni Mchechwa. But in all fairness, Chawatele also hasn't been at his best. But I would have started him. Um, Mfundo Vilakazi, I was happy to see him starting. He played really well against in the midweek game against Suelele. He deserved to go back there. I was happy with the starting 11. Etiosa got Ikotaro getting his first goal for Kaizer Chiefs in only his second game. That's what I want from my new number 9, get a goal as soon as possible. The moment a striker goes over 5 games, first 5 games without scoring, 70-80% of the times it's not going to work. So the fact that Ikotaro managed to score in only his second game, now the confidence is going to go high, and I just hope he keeps on scoring goals, because that's all I want from him. But he can link up play. I don't give a toss, mate. I don't give a toss. I just want goals. I want a striker who's gonna give me at least 10 goals in the league. If you have a striker that can give you at least 10 goals in a league, then um you have a very, very big chance of finishing in a decent position, So Etiosa Ikotaro should keep on banging those goals. Currently he's the number 1 striker, but um we are loaded in that position. So anytime he can be dropped, unless if he keeps on scoring goals. Jody Lilepo also got a goal. Zicha Kwinika, both goals coming from a set piece. Good delivery from Mfundo Vilakazi, especially in that Zicha Kwinika goal. Hard and low in front of the defense, always very difficult to defend against that kind of ball. So yeah, it is a very, very good result. We are through. Now the real work starts now. It starts now. Now we are going to face some serious teams. This is where now squad depth come into play. Although I believe we have more quantity over quality. We do have players, we do have a large squad, that is going to help us go through, whenever we're facing injuries, suspensions, we have a very large squad. So we will manage to keep up with the domestic competitions and the CAF Confed. I think we are going to go very, very far in the CAF Confederations Cup. This might be a stinker. It might be a stinker. But I think Kaizer Chiefs will reach at least the semi-finals of the CAF Confederations Cup. Why? As I've said, the CAF Confederations Cup is not a difficult tournament. Stellenbosch last season, they reached the semi-finals. But take nothing away from Stellenbosch. They're a very good team. They've been a better team than us in the last 5 years. I've seen Marumo Gallants battling against relegation in the Betway Premiership, but reaching the semi-finals of the CAF Confederations Cup. I've seen Kaizer Chiefs reaching the finals of the CAF Champions League, while um battling for a top eight finish in the league. So I feel like we are going to go very far in the CAF Confederations Cup. I hope this is not going to be a stinker. But anyways, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks for watching. I'm out.